heartbeat of a company is its know-how. It is based on the capabilities of its employees. Human knowledge is currently doubling up every 5 years. For Voith, know-how is the only way into the future. Know-how requires networking. The human brain serves as an example. 100 billion nerve cells with numerous junctions and links like atoms in the universe. 24,000 people work at Voith, together, networked. 24,000 people from every continent, every age group, every color. They widen horizons, break the limits of what is technologically achievable, and have made us, Voith, into what we are today. A global company, leading the world in the engineering and machine construction industry. We realize more than half of our turnover today with ideas that did not even exist 5 years ago. In doing so, we follow the tradition of our founder. 1869. Johann Matthäus Voith registers his first patent. Under Friedrich Voith, his son, the machine factory soon gains international renown. Men like Heinrich Völter, Victor Kaplan, Hermann Föttinger, and Ernst Schneider have made technical history. Today, the Voith group of companies holds more than 7,000 active patents. And while we are sitting here, somewhere in the world, a new Voith patent is developed. Another unique item in the making. Whether it is in the corporate division of Voith Paper, Voith Fabrics, Voith Turbo, Voith Siemens Hydropower Generation, or Voith Industrial Services, what comes from us is always a superior technical product. Corporate Division Voith Paper. Here, complex production plants are produced, sometimes even complete paper mills. A production line consisting of so much steel that it would be enough to build 2 Eiffel Towers, 13,000 tons. A plant that produces 500,000 tons of paper per year at a speed of up to 120 kilometers per hour. Machines as wide as motorways. They produce paper for high-grade art prints and the world's newspapers, cardboard for packaging material, tissue for hygiene. Admittedly, someone else in the world can do this too. But the Voith paper engineers go further, because often it's dreams that move the world. Pulp, not made from wood, but from sugarcane, recovering more than half of all fibers from recycled materials. Develop a multi-layered fiber management, building a paper machine that hardly needs any water and less energy. Voith Paper has made these dreams come true. No wonder that every 3rd sheet of paper in this world has been manufactured on a Voith Paper plant. But another thing is needed to produce paper. Textile fabrics which guide the paper through the machine. Extracting 95% water and allow a production speed of 35 meters per second. A world record. You are in the corporate division, Voith Fabrics. These fabrics are not as straightforward as they look. Microscopic perfection. Even in the seam of a continuous web measuring 100 meters, you will find the same physical characteristics as in any other place. Manufacturing an individual fabric requires greatest care. A fact which makes the complexity evident. Just at this very second, thousands of meters of paper are being produced worldwide on fabrics from Voith. By now, probably over 50,000 meters. Engines create torque. Controlling these is the job of Voith Turbo, Corporate Division Power Transmission. On the roads of the world, our hydrodynamic transmissions change gears safely in stop-and-go traffic. Their jolt-free gear shifting technology has made public transport more comfortable. At the limits of physics, with the comprehensive know-how held by us. Part after part. Our technology slows them down, even if they weigh several tons, virtually without any wear. The advantages of hydrodynamics are also confirmed on the railways. Every day, millions of people are taken safely to their destination by Voith turbo transmissions and retarders, with functions that offer extreme reliability. Safely into the future, with advantages that make public transport even more comfortable. And in industry too. Hundreds of meters deep down, our startup components in the world's longest belt conveyors help unearth mineral treasures from the soil. They retrieve oil from the world's oceans. Startup components from Voith Turbo are couplings which get even the heaviest masses on the move. We start and control turbines and power stations, and break the largest stones. We develop solutions which get things going. Voith Turbo. Voith Siemens Hydropower Generation, our fourth corporate division. Here, hydropower stations of any size are being designed and built. Energy from nature for the benefit of mankind. Turbine runners made from up to 400 tons of steel. With millimeter precision. Following the laws of hydrodynamics. Capable of generating up to 800 megawatts. This is added by the generator, heart of a power station. It generates electricity. Millions of kilowatt hours. Enough to supply a city with energy day and night. Examples can be found all over the world. Know-how. Service. Speed. Results. Voith Industrial Services. DIW, German Industry Maintenance. 7,500 employees, 15,000 hands. On permanent standby to carry out any of the following: servicing, technical cleaning, facility management, building cleaning, dismantling and reinstallation, logistics, power station servicing, environmental servicing, industrial technology, and industrial installation. Europe's biggest companies seek us out, and with good reason. The servicing spectrum of DIW. Maintenance, inspection, and overhaul by people with the kind of expertise that is rarely found within the company itself. On permanent standby, round the clock. And now to technical cleaning. Who knows how to clean using dry ice? Who can muster the necessary clean room professionals? And who can tackle even the largest car spraying plant and make it clean again? Next, let's consider facility management, one area in which you may have already encountered us. This is where our specialists carry out technical building fittings, deal with faults, clean and maintain sites. Last but not least, industrial installation. A case study. Rebuild a large gas installation without in any way interrupting operation. It can be done, but only by people who know what they're doing. DIW. Voigt Industrial Services. Expertise in 15,000 hands. And now, to something special. The Voigt Schneider Propeller. Drive and control system. Ships turn on the spot, capable of maneuvering in the narrowest of spaces. Voigt on the oceans of the world. Technical service capability in the best hands, 15,000 of them. The world's largest hydropower plant, built. The hydropower station no one can see, completed. The largest powers, connected. The transmissions for millions of kilometers, guaranteed. One of the best brakes in the world, safe. The guarantee for best paper, endless. Environment-conscious recycling, unbeatable. The fastest paper machine in the world, producing.